Right, cockers, I'm editing Girl Talk magazine. Check it out, yeah? Welcome to Girls World! Here's Dogmeat! Johnny! Joven!
Time of the week when you ask how many things are inside another thing. Fine! Take it and go!
No! We're closed!
Or near 5 more people come in here, I'm gonna tell them to get out!
We're 3 men
From road trip. We're on
Girl Talk magazine. So this is a set for later.
We have no idea what it is.
We have no idea what it is.
We've been kind of briefed that our faces are over there.
And apparently, all we know so far is that I'm the beans, Brooklyn's the porridge, and
I'm
the donuts.
the bagel.
Yeah, and Jack's the bagel, and that's it. It's quite lucrative.
But there's a wall right there.
Oh wait, just take that. Just go.
Can I get a full English breakfast, please?
5, 4, 3.
But there's literally a bowl of it right here.
Oh, give me strength. Fine! Have it! Get out! Come on! Hi, can I just get that full English, please?
We're closed. Can you not see the sign?
Well, you can have anything you like, anything!
Can we get 5 bowls of custard?
So ends our broadcast day.